This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by exposing the gas lift. Remove the seat plate and armrests now so you can reach the cylinder collar. Once done, spray penetrating oil at the top and base where the cylinder meets the base. Let it soak for 5–10 minutes so the bond loosens. Make sure to put the chair on its side or a low platform to work comfortably. You'll use a wrench to hold the piston and a sleeve or pipe as a driver, so have both ready and within reach. You now focus on breaking the sealed interface. First, clamp the piston shaft gently with the adjustable wrench to prevent the internal piston from turning. This protects the internal seal. Next, reapply penetrating oil to the seam and alternate light taps around the cylinder with the rubber mallet to loosen corrosion. Don't bash straight on the rod. Then slide the metal pipe or sleeve over the cylinder and strike the sleeve's end. You're at the finish line. Keep steady pressure and pull the cylinder straight out while tapping the sleeve. Once it moves, work it free evenly to avoid bending the piston. Make sure to clean the base socket before installing the replacement cylinder and confirm the replacement matches diameter and stroke length. Reassemble the seat and test the height mechanism 3–4 times. If it stays stuck, try heating the collar briefly with a heat gun and more penetrating oil. As a last resort, cut the outer shell with care.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.